Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best new tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch GNH18V35N18V Brushless 23. Earlier this year, Bosch released a brand new lineup of pro-focused cordless 18V nailers and staplers. The only omission to this group was a 23-gauge pin nailer until now. The Bosch GNH18V 35N 23-gauge pin nailer is ideal for finish trim and delicate wood veneers. It holds up to 110 23-gauge nails, ranging in size from 5/8 inch to 1, 3, or 8 inches. For safety, Bosch omitted a thumb safety, instead opting for a nose safety feature that we haven't seen in other pin nailers. Similar to a cordless framing or finish nailer, the GNH18V35N doesn't fire unless the nose is pressed against your work surface, adding an extra layer of security. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Greenworks 24V6 Mini Chainsaw Cordless. Shifting things over to the accessory front, Festool released a new line of abrasives compatible with power sanders. The Festool Granite Profile sanding pads feature a 1x2-inch polyurethane foam backing that adapts to curves and contours in your workpiece. This results in a smooth, even finish on irregular surfaces that's much easier to attain than with standard hand sanding methods. Available in 3 different grits and a variety of shapes and sizes, there's one for every level of material removal. They're more specialized accessories than standard sanding discs, which is reflected in the price. However, if you're a remodeler or restorer who frequently sands more complex projects, the Granite Profile sanding discs may be worth the price trade-off for an easier sanding experience. At number 3, we have the Skil 814 Portable Worm Drive Table Saw. A few months back, Skil released 2 new 8.4-inch table saws. Both are almost identical in design, although one has a 13A motor and the other has a 15A motor. The 13A model is exclusive to Walmart and is likely targeting DIY enthusiasts who shop there, though both models share the same $279 price point. Both saws sport an 8.1-4-inch blade that spins at up to 5,000 RPM. This blade size gives you a cut capacity of up to 2 1/2 inches at 0 geodig and 1 3/4 inches at 45 dig, with a rip capacity of 12 inches to the left and 24.5 inches to the right. You can also rip 4 or 8 sheet goods. All said and done, either model is a good consideration for light to medium duty DIY or remodeling projects for value-conscious users. At number 2, we have the Kreg Rebel 20V Ionic Drive Pocket. Kreg recently released a new suite of 20V tools geared toward the woodworking industry, including the Ionic Drive Pocket Hole Joiner. This unique, specialized tool features a brushless motor that spins the bit up to 20.800 RPM, significantly faster than most cordless drills. The single-speed design supports its single function, drilling pocket holes into your workpiece. Kreg has been making pocket hole jigs for quite some time, so the real benefit of this tool is taking the genius of their existing pocket hole tools and incorporating an integrated drill. After some hands-on time with the tool, it's easy to see why this could be an appealing option for serious woodworkers. It saves time and allows for confident drilling with fewer tools to manage while you work. And finally, at number 1, we have the bundle of Metabo HPT 10-inch single bevel compound meter saw. There's a lot to like about the Metabo HPT 2nd generation corded 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw, which isn't surprising given its similarity to the previous iteration. However, it's clear that Metabo HPT isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, but rather they're just ironing out the rough edges and refining some design features. To improve this saw's user experience, the design team included an easy-to-reach adjustment lever, reverse-threaded adjustment knob, and X-Act LED shadow cut line for accurate cuts. Although it has some limitations like the lack of rails and limited capacity, the $169 price point and 5-year warranty make up for it for those seeking a capable, value-focused model. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.